Now today I'm going to be teaching you a song all about a magical transformation that happens within nature. It's linked to a story, one of the most famous stories of all time. It's called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. That's right, and it's by Eric Carle, a fantastic author. Let's have a little look at the story first before we learn the song about the magical transformation that happens. This transformation is called metamorphosis, but we'll talk more about that later.
The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started looking for some food. I'm so hungry. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 piece of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomachache. Ugh. The very hungry caterpillar then ate through a green leaf. He started to feel better. Now the caterpillar was no longer small. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built himself a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a small hole in the cocoon and pushed his way out, and a beautiful butterfly.
I hope you enjoyed that. I definitely did. It's one of my favourite books. Okay, so in the start of the story, right at the beginning, we have a tiny egg. A tiny egg. Sing it with me. A tiny egg. A tiny egg. And again, 1, 2, 3. A tiny egg. A tiny egg. And that's right, we sing it twice. What comes out of the egg? Something hatches. Hatches a caterpillar. That's right. So for caterpillar, we're going to do this. Caterpillar with its wriggly, wiggly, patterned, hairy, and sometimes even spiky body. We're going to say hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar. And when we sing that section, it sounds like this. Hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar. And again. Hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar. Let's do the 2 parts we have so far. A tiny egg. A tiny egg hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar. Now if you think about the story, what happens next? That's right. He builds a cocoon. He cocoons himself and wraps himself up in a special crusty layer called a chrysalis or a cocoon. Chrysalis is a special word that scientists use to describe that cocoon. Cocoons into a chrysalis. Cocoons into a chrysalis. as you sing it, I want you to cocoon, wrap your body up and around into that special chrysalis. One more time. Cocoons into a chrysalis. Well done. Let's try it from the beginning. A tiny egg hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar cocoons into a chrysalis. Well done. We just sing that line once. The next part is a special word. Now, this magical transformation in animals, any creature, is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Let's say it like a princess. Metamorphosis. Your turn. Metamorphosis. Let's say that word like we're really sad. Metamorphosis. Your turn. Metamorphosis. Let's say it like we are a zombie. Metamorphosis. Your turn. Metamorphosis. Let's say it as if we are an intelligent scientist. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Well done. And finally, let's say it like an alien. Metamorphosis. Your turn. Metamorphosis. Well done. So metamorphosis, that's the word we use when any creature transforms in its life cycle and changes from one thing to the other. So we've got cocoons into a chrysalis, a little metamorphosis. And we'll do this magical hand transformation to show the change. A little metamorphosis, a little metamorphosis. And finally, we have the butterfly flutters by. Take your two thumbs, cross them over, like this. Stick out your hands. Butterfly flutters by, butterfly flutters by. When I put that whole special song together, it sounds like this. A tiny egg hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar cocoons into a chrysalis, a little metamorphosis. Butterfly flutters by. And again, a tiny egg hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar cocoons into a chrysalis, a little metamorphosis. Butterfly flutters by. Let's try it with the music. Well done. Happy shining, and let's hear you singing out nice and loud with those actions to finish. Get ready. So listen to the pace, the speed. And get ready with your tiny egg. 1, 2, 3. A tiny egg hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar cocoons into a chrysalis, a little metamorphosis. Butterfly flutters by. A tiny egg hatches a caterpillar. Caterpillar cocoons into a chrysalis, a little metamorphosis.